In today's world, relationships and dating have evolved into a complex dance of emotions, intentions, and expectations. Many people, especially men, wonder how to navigate this intricate landscape in a way that feels authentic yet effective. One common desire among older men is to attract women who are genuinely interested in them, not because they're chasing superficial traits like wealth or status, but because they see value, depth, and confidence. This video isn't about manipulation or games. It's about understanding timeless principles that help you become someone others naturally gravitate toward. The key takeaway here is simple. When you embody certain qualities and behaviors, attraction happens naturally. These techniques aren't shortcuts or tricks. They're rooted in self-awareness, respect for others, and emotional intelligence. Whether you're single, looking to improve your current relationship, or simply curious about human dynamics, these 8 techniques will provide actionable insights into making yourself more appealing without compromising who you truly are. By the end of this video, you'll understand why authenticity combined with intentionality can make all the difference. Chapter 1. Mastering confidence without arrogance. Confidence is one of the most universally attractive traits, yet it's often misunderstood. True confidence isn't about boasting, showing off, or trying to dominate every conversation. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and projecting an aura of calm assurance. Older men tend to excel at this because life experience teaches them what truly matters and what doesn't. When you exude genuine confidence, women don't feel pressured to chase you. Instead, they're drawn to the energy you radiate. To master confidence, start by working on your inner dialogue. Pay attention to how you talk to yourself. Are you constantly criticizing your appearance, abilities, or past mistakes? If so, shift your mindset towards self-acceptance. Acknowledge your strengths and accomplishments while also embracing areas where growth is possible. This balance creates a foundation of self-assurance that others can sense from miles away. Another crucial aspect of confidence is body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and avoid fidgeting. Your posture speaks volumes before you even say a word. Practice walking into a room as if you belong there, not arrogantly, but with purpose. Smile genuinely and engage with people around you. These small adjustments signal to women and everyone else that you're someone worth getting to know. Lastly, remember that confidence isn't static. It grows over time through action. Take risks, pursue hobbies, and challenge yourself regularly. The more you step outside your comfort zone, the more confident you'll become. And when women notice this steady growth, they'll want to be part of your journey. Chapter 2. Cultivating emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is arguably the most underrated skill in modern relationships. While physical attraction might spark initial interest, EQ keeps the flame burning. Older men often excel in this area because they've had years to refine their ability to read emotions, communicate effectively, and empathize with others. Women are naturally drawn to individuals who get them emotionally, those who listen actively, validate feelings, and respond thoughtfully. Start by honing your listening skills. Too many people hear words without truly understanding the meaning behind them. When someone shares something personal, resist the urge to interrupt or offer unsolicited advice. Instead, focus on absorbing what they're saying and reflecting back their emotions. For example, if a woman expresses frustration about her job, acknowledge her feelings. That sounds really tough. I can tell how much effort you put into your work. Empathy goes hand in hand with listening. Put yourself in her shoes and imagine how she feels. Does she need support, validation, or perhaps just a sounding board? Tailor your response accordingly. Emotional intelligence also involves managing your own emotions. Stay composed during disagreements and never let anger dictate your actions. Calmness under pressure shows maturity and reliability. Finally, practice expressing vulnerability. Many men fear opening up because they associate it with weakness, but the opposite is true. Sharing your thoughts and feelings builds trust and deepens connections. Just ensure you strike a balance. Don't overshare early on, but don't stay emotionally distant either. Over time, women will appreciate your ability to connect on a deeper level. Chapter 3. Building a life worth living. Attraction isn't solely based on personality, it's also influenced by lifestyle. Older men often stand out because they've spent decades building fulfilling lives filled with passion, purpose, and independence. When you prioritize creating a rich, meaningful existence, you naturally become more attractive to others. Women want to be part of something exciting, not fill a void in someone else's life. Begin by identifying your passions and interests. What activities light you up? Maybe it's traveling, cooking, playing music, or volunteering. Whatever it is, dedicate time to pursuing these hobbies wholeheartedly. Not only will you enjoy yourself more, but you'll also meet like-minded individuals along the way. A well-rounded life makes you infinitely more interesting than someone who spends all their free time scrolling through social media. Next, focus on personal development. Read books, attend workshops, or take courses to expand your knowledge and skills. Growth-oriented individuals inspire those around them. They project a sense of ambition and curiosity that's inherently magnetic. Plus, investing in yourself boosts your confidence. A win-win situation. Independence is another critical component. Avoid clinging to anyone or relying heavily on external validation. Show that you're capable of thriving on your own while still valuing companionship. Women admire men who have their own lives and aren't desperate for attention. By cultivating a fulfilling existence, you create a gravitational pull that draws others towards you. Chapter 4. Mastering communication skills. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful relationship. Older men often excel in this area because they've learned the importance of clarity, timing, and tone. Words matter, but how you deliver them matters even more. Great communicators know how to express themselves authentically while respecting the perspectives of others. First, work on articulating your thoughts clearly. Rambling or beating around the bush can dilute your message and leave others confused. Before speaking, take a moment to organize your ideas. Keep your sentences concise and direct. If you're discussing something sensitive, choose your words carefully to avoid unnecessary conflict. Timing is equally important. There's a right moment for everything. For instance, bringing up heavy topics during a casual date might ruin the mood. Learn to read the situation and gauge whether it's appropriate to dive into serious discussions. Similarly, humor can lighten tense moments, but only if used appropriately. A well-timed joke can diffuse awkwardness, while poorly executed sarcasm might offend. Finally, pay attention to nonverbal cues. Tone of voice, facial expressions, and gestures play a significant role in communication. Speak warmly and maintain open body language to convey sincerity. Avoid crossing your arms, rolling your eyes, or using dismissive phrases like "whatever." Small changes in how you communicate can dramatically enhance your interactions with women. Chapter 5. Demonstrating reliability and consistency. Trust is the cornerstone of any lasting relationship. Women are naturally drawn to men who demonstrate reliability and consistency. Older men often shine in this regard because they've learned the value of keeping promises and following through on commitments. Being dependable doesn't mean being perfect. It means showing up consistently, even when it's inconvenient. Start by honoring your word. If you say you'll call, call. If you promise to help with something, do it. Little things add up over time, and breaking promises erodes trust quickly. On the flip side, delivering on your commitments builds credibility and reassures women that you're someone they can count on. Consistency extends beyond actions. It applies to behavior and attitude too. Avoid erratic mood swings or unpredictable reactions. Remain steady and grounded, especially during challenging times. Women appreciate stability and find comfort in knowing what to expect from you. That doesn't mean suppressing your emotions. Rather, it means handling them maturely. Reliability also involves taking responsibility for your choices. Own up to mistakes instead of blaming others or making excuses. Apologize sincerely when necessary and show a willingness to learn from errors. Accountability demonstrates strength and integrity, which are highly attractive qualities. Conclusion: attracting women isn't about gimmicks or quick fixes. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. These 8 techniques: confidence, emotional intelligence, lifestyle enrichment, communication, reliability, authenticity, respect, and connection, are timeless principles that foster genuine attraction. Older men often embody these qualities naturally, but anyone can cultivate them with intention and effort. Remember, the goal isn't to make women chase you, it's to create a dynamic where mutual admiration and interest flourish organically. Focus on self-improvement, treat others with kindness and respect, and let relationships unfold naturally.